Imagine unlocking the next era of smartphone performance, where speed, energy efficiency, and artificial intelligence converge in one sleek device. That's exactly where Samsung might be heading with its highly anticipated Galaxy S26 Ultra. Insider whispers, especially from the ever-reliable leaker ICE universe, hint at a remarkable upgrade in RAM. We're talking LPDDR5X memory pushing blazing speeds of 10.7 gigabits per second, an impressive leap over the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 9.6 gigabits per second. That's more than just digits on a spec sheet. This 11 to 15% boost in bandwidth translates to faster launches, smoother transitions, and tangible improvements in battery endurance. But real-world usage is where this upgrade shines. Think faster 8K video capture, seamless app switching, enhanced multiplayer gaming, and dramatically better performance for any on-device AI magic. All this speed, yet with notably lower power draw, and that means more uptime between charges. Now, this isn't the only headline-generating rumor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could also come packing the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite processor, delivering raw power that puts even demanding tasks in their place. Couple that processing muscle with a sleeker frame, slimmer bezels, and a visually immersive display, and you get a phone that redefines flagship expectations. What if it's not just evolutionary, but revolutionary? With next-gen memory, smarter power usage, refined industrial design, and a beast of a chip, Samsung might just be poised to reset the entire benchmark for flagship devices. Of course, none of this is official. Samsung remains silent. But if these whispers hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be more than just a premium phone. It could be the new gold standard. Imagine a device that isn't just advanced, it's intuitive, efficient, and built to outperform in every scenario. So keep your eyes peeled. It's not just about raising the bar. It's about rewriting what we expect from a flagship. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.